What would you say are some of like the standout ingredients that have good effects on the yoni in the steaming process?
As I said before, it's like drinking a cup of tea. You can basically, most of the herbs that you would use as a tea infusion, you can also use them for yoni steaming. Not all of them. What we can see is that different kinds of herbs have different kinds of effects, and namely, they're cleansing, disinfecting, they're aromatic, firming in the sense of they're like tightening the tissues. They can stop bleeding, they can be emmenagogue, and they can be deodorizing. So that's how you want to choose your herbs. You want to see like which kind of properties do they bring. Are they mainly aromatic? So I use them to have like to do aromatherapeutic treatments with them. Or are they mainly disinfecting, which I then would probably use in a moment where someone has an infection? Or are they cooling? When someone has like a lot of excess heat, I would prefer to use like a cooling herb. And that's how I choose, and that's how I also like combine herbs together, because I usually want to have a little bit of everything. But sometimes I don't want to use emmenagogue herbs when a woman already has a very like short cycle, then I will like not use any of those. So that's how you choose your herbs. For example, mint is a very cooling herb, so I would use that one if a woman has like a lot of excess heat. It's also disinfecting, so it can come very, very handy when someone's like overly hot in their system or sweating a lot. One of my favorite one is rose, which has a very like intensely cleansing effect and also disinfecting effect, but it's also very emmenagogue. So you should be careful with this herb if you already have a very short cycle.